Hi, my name is Sarah. It's so good to connect with you via this platform again. Today, I'm just going to share a little bit about myself and my sojourn into the network marketing industry. Um, I ventured into network marketing in the year 2018. Prior to this time, I was very opposed to the idea. I didn't want to know what network marketing was even about, of course, because of the lots of hearsays. And until 2018, I had two kids at that time, and it became very important that I began to look for opportunities to make more income, to help my home, help my husband, and all of that. And so that gave birth to me wanting to seek out for opportunities that I had originally closed my eyes to. And this is what brought me into the network marketing industry. But guess what? The first company I ever became a part of crashed, folded up, and of course you understand how that goes. And I felt very bad, but I didn't give up. I knew there was something in the industry for me, and so in 2019, God led me to be part of the current company I'm a part of right now, which is called Superlife. This is a company that I can't overemphasize on how much of a blessing this company has been to me, not just me, but to my team as a whole. In the space of 2 years plus, God has helped us. God has lifted us from. In the year 2019, when I became a part of the company, I couldn't. February 2019, when I signed up, I had to borrow my registration fee of 49,500. I couldn't afford it. And the same way, God has been so good. We are property owners, we own cars and all of that. And it's just not about me, it's the fact that you are used as a bridge to help so many other people. Now, why do I recommend network marketing, and particularly the company called Superlife World? Number one is the ease of doing business. We are in a society or an economy or in a world right now that we cannot shut our eyes to opportunities. If there's something you say you cannot do, my brother and my sister, look again. You have innate abilities to do anything you put your mind to. You can learn anything. That's the truth. So there's an ease of doing business. There's the power of doing business with anybody, anywhere in the world. It's a global system. There is the opportunity of you building capacity. You don't know where God is taking you to tomorrow. So network marketing avails you the opportunity to create relationships, to meet people, to be able to interface with people, to build communication skills, to build presenting skills. There's so much capacity to be gotten from the industry. I also recommend network marketing because it's also a profession that you can combine with something, whatever else you're doing. If you have a job, you have a business, you can combine network marketing successfully with it. I recommend network marketing because you become truly a bridge to helping other people, helping them, like our company, Superlife World. We are focused on health and wealth. So our products are very curated, and then we get lots of testimonies. So you see people's lives changed, their health issues are being solved, their financial issues are being solved. There is no greater blessing, there's no greater glory than saying that you're part of people's testimonies. This is one of the things that network marketing enables you to do. Like I said, our economy does not give us the leverage to be locked up in a box. We don't have that luxury. So please open your minds, open your eyes. We are here as a team to work with you, to guide you, to lead you, to show you, as long as you are willing, as long as you are ready, as long as you're excited. I am looking forward to working with you. My team and I will be excited to guide you on this journey. You're not going to be left alone to navigate it until you understand it. But we will need you to meet us halfway. We look forward to you being a part of our team. For us, we have built a support system. We've built opportunities, we've built materials, seminars, events, online events, and all of that to ensure that you grow, that you are not alone when you're starting out on this journey, at least until you're matured in it. So the goal is to empower as many people as possible. This is when we're starting this movement. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Click on the link, take a look at the opportunity, key in, and for sure, if you take the right steps, you are the next big thing. God bless you.